The WannaCry Ransomware attack. In May 2017, the world experienced one of the most aggressive cyber attacks in history. It was called WannaCry. Today we're going to take a look into how it happened, who was affected, and the lessons we learned from it. WannaCry is a type of malicious software known as ransomware. It encrypts a victim's files, holding them hostage until a ransom is paid in the digital currency Bitcoin. But there was a twist. WannaCry spread itself across the internet without user interaction, exploiting vulnerabilities in Microsoft Windows operating systems. How the attack unfolded. The attack began on May 12, 2017. WannaCry exploited a vulnerability in Windows systems first discovered by the NSA and leaked by a group called the Shadow Brokers. The ransomware used this exploit, known as Eternal Blue, to spread rapidly. Eternal Blue, an exploit developed by the NSA. It affected over 200,000 computers across 150 countries. Within the healthcare sector, particularly the UK's NHS being the hardest hit. The impact was devastating. Hospitals had to turn away patients, factories halted production, and businesses were forced to close. The total damages were estimated to be in the billions of dollars. The response to mitigate the malware was rapid. Researchers, including a young British cybersecurity expert, found a kill switch in the code, which helped slow the spread. Governments and private companies worldwide rallied to secure systems and prevent further damage. What is a kill switch? A kill switch is a specific condition or mechanism that can deactivate a program. WannaCry was a wake-up call on the importance of digital hygiene. Updating software, backing up files, and using antivirus software are critical steps everyone should take to protect themselves against ransomware. Tips: update regularly, backup data, use antivirus. While WannaCry caused significant damage, it also strengthened global resolve to fight cyber threats. By staying vigilant and prepared, we can protect our digital world against future attacks. Remember to keep your operating system and your anti-malware updated. Stay vigilant. Stay protected. Thank you for watching. For more information on protecting yourself from cyber threats, visit www.webdefender.net. Please don't forget to subscribe to get notified when we upload more content.